welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning about past continuous tense. Already have learned about simple past, the uses of simple past, and today we'll be learning about past continuous tense. So let's begin the class. So here I have taken 2 points about how we can use past continuous tense. Number one is that an action that happened at a specific point. There we can use 2 points are there. An action that happened at specific point already happened, that means it is in simple past. And number 2, you see, an action continued during period. So there are 2 types of condition. One is already happened, one is continued. So I have taken here timeline 9 a.m., 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. So 9 a.m. already finished, that means simple past. 5 p.m. finished, it is simple past. But 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. that is continue or continuous. So one example you can see, 3 examples are given, you can check it. I started work at 9 a.m. I finished work at 5 p.m. These are in simple past. But when I say or you say I was working from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. that means it is past continuous. You see the times. One we can say that action already finished, and one is saying is that action is continuing. So let's see the usage of past continuous tense. Number one, you see, number one usage, continuing during period. Continuing, number one, continuing during period. It is continuing during one period. That means it has never end. One example, Arun was studying all day. All day is during period. Number two, let's see, continuing during movement. Movement, something event is going on. Movement. At 5 a.m. he was washing. It is during movement. It is continuing during movement. Number three, continuing when interrupted. Interrupted means it is little bit some interpretation is there, some stoppage is there. For example, they were having dinner when we arrived. They were having dinner when we arrived. Number four, let's see, planned action, that we are planning some action. Example, I was planning to call John but I didn't have time. Here planning is there. Number 5, polite request. In case of polite request, you can say I was wondering if you could help me. I was wondering if you could help me. It is a request, polite request. In that case also we can use past continuous tense. So these are the 5 usages of past continuous tense. Now let's see the stative verb. For example, one example, let's say the sentence is totally not correct. 6 sentences are there, it is not correct. So what will be the correct answer? I will discuss. For example, Ram was knowing him for many years. So in this case, we cannot change the verb knowing. No, it cannot be changed. So we have to write in simple past. It becomes continuous tense. For example, Ram was knowing him for many years. Where is the underline box? So in this case, here the word knowing is there. So it is since it is a stative verb, we cannot write in the ing form. So what will be the correct answer? Ram knew him for many years. Ram knew him for many years. Knowing, it will be changing to know. Next, number 2, Sita was hating spiders. So here Sita hated spiders. Answer will be hated. You can write in simple past tense. Number 3, they were owning a big building. Here owning, ownership, it cannot be written in ing form. So it will be they owned, ed, a big building. Correct sentence will be they own a big building. Number 4, he was wanting to become doctor. Here stative verb want, it cannot be wanting. So it will be he wanted to become a doctor. Here a is missing, so you write it a. Number 5, she was needing to catch her flight. Here needing stative verb. So we can write here she needed to catch a flight. Next one, he was having a computer. Here stative verb having. He was having a stative verb. Sorry, stative. He was having a computer. We have to write it. He had a computer. We can write. Or in case of anything is going in life. For example, we can write having, where we can write having. For example, they were having a party. Party continuing. We cannot write he was having a computer, but we can write he was having a party. So I think it is clear. So let's go to next point. Mistake using ing in verb. So here this one is given, table is given. You see most verb, most endings in e, verbs ending in ie, and ending in consonant, verb and consonant. So most verb adding ing. So example, playing, eating, speaking, drawing, those are most used form of verb, ing form of verb. Next one is verb ending in e, drop e. We don't write e. For example, make, making. Here e we don't write. Take, taking. Care, caring. Verbs ending in ie, drop ie. We drop ie and add y and put ing. For example, tie. You see the word tie? Tying, tying, tying. Lay, lying. Next one is verbs ending in consonant, verb, consonant. Already we have discussed in past continuous tense, simple past tense. When a consonant, verb and consonant is there, we make the last letter double. For example, jog, jogging, sit, sitting, get, getting. Next, common mistake done by the students. Let's see what is the common mistakes. Wrong tense. Here what is the wrong tense? Ram was writing when I arrived. So here wrong tense is there. Here correct one is there. Ram was writing when I arrived. Sorry, here it should be double T. Okay, here. Here supposed to be where. So where will change to was. Suppose third person singular, it will be was. They was playing. Here to be. To be means be verb. They was. Here was is there. The correct one will be they were playing. Next, spelling mistake. Here e. Last letter when it will be e, it will be excluded. So it will be he was carrying. E will not be used. Odd order wrong. Where he was going. So correct one will be where was he going. When we ask, so be verb will come after where or who, why. Missing words. He doing homework. He was doing his homework. Or he waiting a long time. He was waiting. Was he waiting long time? Next one is stative. Wanting will not change. It will become wants. So these are the examples we have to know. So this was the explanation of past continuous tense. So below are few questions given. You have to do it and show me. So all should go through the video to understand better the usage of past continuous tense. So anything if you don't understand, please ask me. And anybody don't know how to download PDF file, you can go to my video links and you can download it. Okay. So if you like, give comments and one like please, and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. Thank you. Hope you'll be watching my channel.